Yay! It's starting to really come down now. Let's see here. All the drops. Yay! I better not hold my phone up and stand here like that. I might get struck by lightning. It's not funny. It could actually happen. So, anyway, it's coming down now. Oh, getting wet. Oh, beautiful. Cleansing. Just gorgeous. I'm just getting drenched, but I don't care. It's been so long since we've had beautiful rain, and it's just lovely. Thank you, Mother Nature. See you, everyone. Ooh, better go. See ya. She said that's okay.